Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Okay, so today we're making a vanilla bean smoothie. Yes, vanilla bean. We're going to use fresh vanilla beans and we're going to scrape it out and we're going to put it and we're going to make our vanilla bean smoothie. So first, we want to get out our pitcher. So we are going to start with adding some milk, a little bit of milk just to liquefy it, some almond milk. Now you can use whatever milk that you like, whatever's to your liking, whatever you have at home. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. Okay, so I have now I froze some in these silicone molds I put some vanilla yogurt in here as well, vanilla bean yogurt. So we put that in here. Okay. I'm going to add some more vanilla yogurt for that creaminess. We have some vanilla bean yogurt here that I'm also going to add to it. You can see I don't know if you can get a good look. We have all the vanilla beans right here inside this yogurt. Now, I'm gonna add my collagen powder, which is a collagen protein powder. I love collagen because it's great for your skin, your nails, your hair, helps it to grow beautifully and give you beautiful skin. You can use whatever protein powder you like if you want to use any protein powder at all. So I have just 1 scoop going in here. We're gonna add a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of condensed milk. For added sweetness, you could opt out of this if you don't want, but I would suggest you add a little sweetness, maybe some maple syrup if you don't, if you like. I am going to use a cap full of pure vanilla extract in here. So here we have pure vanilla beans. We're going to scrape all of that out and we're going to add it to our smoothie. Best way to kind of do this is to have like a paring knife and make a slit down the side, and once you do that you want to kind of like put your knife on it, have your finger behind it. See those vanilla beans falling? Look at all that vanilla bean. A little bit more to kind of dig out. Now here's a tidbit for you that I normally do, and you can use it as well. I usually will take the skin of my vanilla bean once it's done. I've removed all the seeds and I will put it in my sugar. Your sugar will smell beautifully all the time when you go to use it, and you'll have vanilla sugar. I'm gonna add just a little bit of ice to it. So I added a few more pieces of frozen yogurt, vanilla yogurt I had. So I'm gonna put it now here and we're gonna have a smoothie. Our vanilla smoothie vitamin content is vanilla bean, B6, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6, vanilla yogurt, B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, potassium, riboflavin, collagen protein powder, C, biotin, zinc, and contain amino acids, and almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium, and condensed milk, A, B12, D, and calcium. And here are a list of ingredients. I wish you could see all these vanilla beans in here. All the little black speckles is your vanilla bean. Did you know single parent families are more likely to face hunger? So our vanilla smoothie is done and we have our resident taste tester Gio here, and he's gonna let us know how it turned out. Oh, look at all those beautiful vanilla beans.
Well, let's see.
Okay.
So it has a nice sweet flavor, not too sweet, not too unsweet. You can really taste the yogurt in it. It's a nice little sweetness and like a little tangy
basically he's describing yogurt. You know how yogurt has that sweet and tangy
Yeah,
taste.
that's
So
right.
that's what he's referring to. So let's see. Now, for those of you who like a lot more sugar, I would tell you to put a lot more condensed milk. But for me, it's fine. But some people might like it a little bit sweeter, but I'm okay with it. Has just the right amount of smoothness to me. It's very vanilla, which is what I was going for. Tastes almost like a milkshake, to be honest with you, with not all the sugar. Tastes really good. Definitely give it a try. It's something quick to make. So enjoy. And Gia and I appreciate you hanging out with us today. And come back and hang out with us again. We appreciate you. We love you. Thank you. And don't forget, be good to yourself and God bless.